Hey, YouTube family and friends, in this package, I'm so excited. I have rare heirloom seeds that I've never tried before. I'm just trying something new and I hope that you will do the same thing. So I also got one packet in here that's gonna blow your mind. Maybe all of them will. Let's go right into it. All right, so let me hurry up and open these up because I'm ready to dive into these great seeds. All right, first one I have is the cherry purple. This tomato is gonna be so big. You see how big that tomato is? Look at the colors. It also says from the back of the pack that it is very sweet in flavor. So I'm so excited. I'm trying new varieties because I want to see what all these different type tomatoes taste like because I'm ready to get into it. All right, this next one is the Brad's Atomic Grape. Now with this Atomic Grape, it is crack resistant. So this is also big because now I don't have to worry about all my tomatoes cracking because I got help. And also it says that it is nice and sweet. So it's extraordinary sweet. That's what it says on the back. Back of the pack says extraordinary sweet. So I'm gonna take them at their word, but I love the colors. Wait till you see the rest. Oh, pineapple tomato. All right, this pineapple, I love pineapples. You know I grow them. So I'm trying to grow them. Now, if you look close, look at that color. That color looks amazing. This tomato goes up to 2 pounds. This is gonna be another one that I'm gonna have cranes to hold this up. 2 pounds, tomato, pineapple tomato. Look at the color once again. And it's supposed to be prolific. I can't wait. I hope you're getting excited because I am. All right, oh, black strawberry. I like strawberry and I want to see what this tastes like. And this one says, let me bring it close because I can't see. This one says that it is so sweet and tart. It has a balanced flavor and it is very productive early. So you're going to get tomatoes very early and it's productive. Sweet and tart. I can't wait. I can't wait. Now I'm moving right to the peppers. This is the Criollo de Cocina. This is from Nicaragua. And this pepper is beautiful. Look at the size. Look how it's folding in. I never had a pepper that looks like that. And it says on the packet that it has an intense flavor. So I had to try it. James Prigioni said that this is a must have in the garden. So I trust him. So I had to try this one out. I can't wait to get at it. The Violet Sparkle. Now this came from a Russian seed trader. So I'm interested to see how this goes. So I'm going to have the purple in the garden. It's going to be so many colors. Now it gets even sweeter when it turns to red. So I'm going to have it when it's purple and I'm going to wait to try it out when it's red. Now I'll let you know how sweet it is. I have the Habanada. This can be hot or you can buy the variety that is not as hot. So I can't wait to add this into the garden as well. I love the colors. We're gonna have colors all over, rainbow colors. It's gonna be beautiful. All right, we have the Japanese tiger and these things, they say they are prolific. The vines are gonna grow and grow and grow. So you're probably gonna need to prune these or I'm gonna have to do that as well. And look at the color. Look at the color. The nice stripes on this melon. My garden is going to have a lot of color, a lot of variety. And look how nice that thing look. Oh, I can't wait to get it out there in the garden. And it says it's nice and sweet and nice and firm. I love firm melons. All right, moving right along to the strawberry watermelon. Is that a thing? Strawberry and watermelon. I love strawberries. I love watermelon. If this thing tastes like some strawberries, oh man, this is going to be lights out. This is 20, it goes up to 25 pounds. And so I want this melon to get as big as possible, especially if it tastes like what it says. All right. Now I do have another melon. All right. This is the Royal Golden Melon. This right here is going to blow your mind. Number one, it goes up to 25 pounds. But when I put it out there in that food forest, I'm going to try to get bigger than 25. I'm going to go ahead and be straight with you. Now, the reason why this is going to blow your mind because You don't have to look for the tendril to see when this is right. When this thing turns golden yellow, it is ready to be picked. So all we have to do, use our eyes to see when it turns golden yellow. We're gonna be like, yeah, go ahead and pick that. It's good. We don't have to worry about it. So this is why I'm so excited. I can't wait to see if that holds true, but that's what it says. Just look for it and it's gonna be good as golden. All right, for you to pick. Now, let me know in the comments if you saw anything that piques your interest or anything that you're excited about, and just let me know if you're trying something new in the garden. I'm gonna have some of my oldies out there, but I wanted to change it up and by adding some of these seeds that I've never tried before, because I may find a new variety that I like. So you should do the same thing. I'll see you next time. Thanks for coming to my channel, and let's go ahead and grow.